Hey everyone, this is Larry with Today I Feel Like. I have been using the Tamron 150-500mm lens for Sony E-mount for the last couple of weeks, and I am doing a review, but I know some of you don't really care about specs, you don't really care about people's opinions about the lens, you just want to see images from it and what it can do. So here are some images, here's some videos that were all produced from the lens using the Sony a6700. So let's jump into it, and here we go. All right, everyone, well, there you go. Those are some images and some videos coming from the Tamron 150-500mm lens using my Sony a6700. I have to say, this is a fantastic lens that can really produce some wonderful images. I love the range that this has, especially on an APS-C camera, because you can really reach out and grab your subject and pull them in close. It's just wonderful. So all that image stabilization, the limiter, everything just makes this lens fantastic to use. So yeah, there you go. Anyways, if you're interested in buying it or getting more info on it, I'm going to leave links to it down below in the video description so that you can check it out. I'm also going to leave links to my Amazon page, my social media contacts, so you can reach me elsewhere and see other products and services I've reviewed over time. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. And follow me on Instagram. And I am Larry with Today I Feel Like. Thanks for coming back to see me. Come back and see me soon. And until next time, love, peace, and hair grease. Peace.